And when this pulls, this should pull this lever like this. There you go. It's got to go like this. And you can't mix this up because it only sits one way. Okay, let's see. Yes. Goes in there. There's no plug connection there, so that goes there. This is gonna be for something else. Okay. Now that that's good. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Opens up like it should. And now I'm going to make sure that the lock works. I'm going to latch it just one notch, and then I watch the lock actuate. And then after that, I'm going to press the handle. And the trunk might pop up, but that's why we're going to hold it. But we're just looking for this latch to release, because the problem was it wasn't releasing. It kept getting stuck. Boom, it released. Now it's fighting me. And then again, we're just going to try it one last time. I'm going to latch it. And then you hear that second click. There you go. That means it's working and it's releasing. So then we can start reassembling the rest of the tailgate. Light, tailgate button. It doesn't really matter. And then this one goes right here. It's for installation. So there we go. There we go. Alright, that should be good to go. There's these little clips right here. You want to make sure you put them in there first before popping it in anywhere. No. Just making sure that all the clips line up. You don't have to punch it. Just a little force. Punching it sometimes breaks the clips. There we go. Nice. Got it. Cool. Nope. There we go. There we go. No, no. This. Oh, hold up. No. Gotta give it a little wiggle, boom. And the short side should be facing the top. Perfect. One last time for good measure. There we go. Easy peasy. So, first things first, cable right there. There's a little cutout right there. Boom. And you're just gonna route it in this little guide right here. And you're gonna latch it right here. And make sure you hear a click like that. This is the broken one, but it doesn't matter. The concept is still the same. Latch this guy like this, like that. So then the U part, the little upward and downwards, goes right there. And this guy clips in right here, like that. And then you're gonna put it in right here like that. I just slide this one through in there, like that. There we go.